Alright, here's the package, and if you hear any background noise, it's probably my parents. Just letting you know. Okay, I'm gonna cut the tape, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have not looked inside yet, so let's go. We'll go to the Yippie. That's crazy. Okay. A piece of foam. I've never seen that in here before. Another piece of foam. Never seen a packet of foam before. Oh my gosh, serious? I've never seen a packet of foam before. Oh my gosh. There's too much foam here. I gotta get rid of it first. I don't know if it's upside down or not, but we'll find out. Oh, he's in a garbage bag. Wait, not a garbage bag, a bag. Okay. He's in another bag. Oh, yeah, he is upside down. There's another bag. That's crazy. Okay. Give me 1 second. Oh, there's so many bags. But okay, I didn't look at him yet. Yeah, for you guys. I got a dragon furby finally. Oh my gosh. I'm wanting a dragon furby for a background. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay. I think I'm gonna open him. So, let's go. Alright, I did get this for a while, but I think I am gonna open him because he's one of my dream Furbies. I've been wanting him ever since I started collecting. And I thought, why not? Because, I mean, yeah, I really want to open this, so I'm gonna start cutting the tape. Alright, I have cut both the top and bottom, so I'm gonna start by opening the bottom. I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera, but I'll try on camera first, just to see if I can, because, you know, that's 2. Man, one more. Okay, I'm gonna do this last step off camera. Alright. I think something, I forgot a piece of tape, hold on. Alright, let's try that again. Whoa. So we got the instructions. Furby baby life. And the dictionary. Stuck to the tape. Stuck. Alright, I got it off. It left a little bit of the paper from the manual, but whatever. I'm gonna untwist those off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I undid the things. There's the little things that was holding twist ties down. So now I'm gonna move on to open the tabs here. I think I'm gonna be able to do that one. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright. I did not. Oh my gosh, she's so soft. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to pull him out. There we go. He's really soft. Oh my gosh, look at him. Yay. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting one of these for like, maybe 2 years. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's awesome. Alright, here he is. Time to put some batteries in and see if it works. Alright, I'm gonna try and jumpstart him by just like hitting the bottom I can get anything to happen. Anyway, I don't hear anything. Come on, buddy. I don't want to have to take you apart. Let's go. Wow, it sounds really good, actually. Can't believe he sounds really good at, like, his motor. Wow. I'm working.